Have you ever wondered what the numbers in your dreams really mean? Today, we're diving deep into the number 2 and its powerful message of duality. Numbers in dreams aren't just random. They represent the evolution of a thought. 1 is individuality, 2 is duality, 3 is creation, and so on, all the way to completion and power. So when the number 2 appears, what is your subconscious trying to tell you? The number 2 is all about balance and the dual nature within each of us. Think about it. Every individual has an inner and an outer self. We have an aggressive side and a receptive side, a physical body and a spiritual soul, a conscious mind and a subconscious mind. The number 2 signals the emergence of this balance. We need 2 legs to walk, 2 wheels to ride a bike. Our bodies have 2 symmetrical sides. Humanity itself is dual, male and female. Duality is woven into the very fabric of our existence. Let's explore how this works within our minds. Imagine a thought is born. Suddenly, there are 2 versions of it. One exists in your conscious mind, the one you're aware of. The other is in your subconscious mind. Think about old school photography. A photographer in a dark room shines light through a negative film onto a separate piece of paper. This imprints the same image onto the paper, creating a second copy. This technology is a mirror of how our own minds work. When we focus enough light or conscious attention on a thought, an identical yet separate image gets imprinted onto our subconscious. Now there are 2 images. This is the essence of duality. So when the number 2 shows up in your dreams, it's a powerful call to action from your inner self. It's asking you to pay attention to this duality. It is urging you to harmonize the aggressive nature of your physical body with the receptive nature of your soul. It is a prompt to balance the logical reasoning of your conscious mind with the profound intuitive power of your subconscious mind. Your dream is telling you to look at both sides of the coin, to find equilibrium between your inner world and your outer actions. Are you ready to understand what your dreams are truly telling you? The number 2 is just the beginning. Every dream is a unique message from your subconscious. To get true clarity on what your specific dreams mean, you need a tool that can decode their language with precision. That's why I recommend the Chitta Dream Decoder. It's your personal guide to diving deeper into the hidden messages of your mind. Click the link below to unlock the secrets of your dreams and start your journey to self-discovery today. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams.